Hey guys, today's February the 2nd of 2018. I want to go over the indices and maybe just kind of browse around on what I'm seeing and just kind of give you my thoughts on what I'm seeing on the market this Friday. So please pause the video and read the video disclaimer. As we can see, gold, it's not doing too good. It's just kind of choppy. This is a 30-minute. Looking at the daily, it's finding support at that 25% level, which is at 1331. You know, I think there's a swing top here. It's out of the channel. I think we're heading lower. That's my opinion. I'm short 1350, and let's see how it's going to pan out. But I think it goes lower. I think the dollar gets a spike and becomes stronger. My opinion, I think euro kind of sells off here also, with the dollar getting stronger. Crude, I don't know, crude might be a different animal. Crude is pretty strong. Let's see where we are with crude. Get rid of that. It's just kind of chopping around. Look at that. If you're into numerology and stuff like that, the OD Gann stuff, look at that number, 6666. Wasn't that the low on ES? 666. Some people say there are some other forces behind the markets. Very interesting. But nonetheless, high up there at 6666. Could it be the swing top? As the ES made a swing low in, 2008, 2009? I don't know, we'll see, but my analysis says that this could be a possible swing top. Maybe we'll start pushing lower. The dollar starts going higher. Euro starts turning lower. Indices start turning lower. We're going to go into indices next. Let's see. Yes. ES very negative. I'm short. What is it? 2837. Somewhere around here. Once I put the swing high, came down 3 days, kind of chopped around, put this long bear kicker. Then doing my calculations, looks like this is a swing high. My analysis says that we're probably going to be swinging. We'll chop around. We'll get some, bottom feeders, catfish, seahorses buying, dips and buying it up, and then, get crushed by the bears again. And it's going to continue this pattern all the way to, according to my analysis, anywhere between March 1st all the way to the 8th. So this time frame right here could be a possible swing low. Could we come down and test this channel? Yeah, we can. And maybe we could test this swing low. Maybe this one over here, 2652. I haven't done my calculations and analysis on price, but time frame I did. And this is what the analysis is saying. So in the meantime, I'm short, just writing this down. Any little pops, I'll short it. Start, forecasting from here if this is the swing high. And that's what you want to do with your analysis. You want to do it mathematically. Okay, so if this is a swing high, you want to forecast and project how, in regards to time, how long this sell-off will continue. And once you determine that with your analysis, then the second thing you want to do is price. Where would ES find support? That you'll use a square at 9. You'll use a lot of esoteric things that Gann spoke about, and then you mash up things. And you just have to, once you come to a conclusion and it looks, valid, and you've run the test and there's no holes in it, just go with it. That's it. That's your mathematical points of making a trade. And if you're wrong, you're wrong. It's not the end of the world. But just, I'm going to short it, here because I think this is resistance. and RSI is overbought. Man, we've been overbought since 2009. We've been overbought. So this could go higher. I could be wrong, but I'm just showing you what I'm seeing, and my analysis says that this is a swing high. Maybe we'll come down if my analysis is right, and then shoot back up again and retest it, and then fail, or maybe just continue going higher. In the NASDAQ, I said there was a 10-year cycle, and that didn't pan out. Let's go to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ 10-year cycle was somewhere, what was it, November 1st, around there. And that didn't pan out. I said three things could happen. It could go sideways, it could go lower, or it could go higher. And November 1st was right around here. I said possible swing top, and look, faked out. That's why you got to watch the cycles that WD Gann spoke about, the 10-year, the 7-year, the 20-year, and don't just jump on it. Just watch what price action does. If it was making higher highs and higher lows, then chances are that it pulled over here. That could have been like, well, you know what? Maybe it was a head fake, but then it broke that trend line, going low over here, and then faked everybody here. Look, and it just shot up higher. And now we put a swing top over here at 129, 770.47, and now it's going lower. So we'll see. Let's see the URA, uranium sector. Sorry about that. Uranium sector daily. Look at that. Sell off. You have to put stops on your trade. Traders that don't put stops, I don't know how they do it. But you have to put stops on your trade just in case you're wrong. I got in here. It kept trending up. My analysis said there's going to be a swing top up here. I didn't even believe it myself. I wasn't clear-minded. I just couldn't see it. I don't know. Whatever it wasn't clear. And it came here, stopped me out, bounced up, came down, hit the 50, linear regression channel, and now it's out of the channel. So it's like really bearish. So we'll see. For those that watch my videos, there's an analysis of a 10-year cycle and a 7-year cycle. Same thing. Once those cycles kick in, you just have to watch what price action does. Price action is going to tell you what it's going to do. The cycle is just telling you this is a possibility. Just be on watch and see what uranium sector is going to do. Right now, this is where it's at. Took out that low. It's going to hit some stops. There's a lot of people that bought in. And statistically, March is a very positive month. Last year, we made the high on February the 15th. 1933 was the price. And right now, this is where we're at. So I want to make this video short. I don't want to make it too long. Just kind of showing you what I'm seeing. Euro. Let's look at the euro. I know there's some traders that trade the euro. Kind of chopping around here. Yeah, I mean it's inside day, nothing major. Just kind of chopping around here. But I think it will sell off. I'm not in the euro right now. I'm just watching it, waiting for some weakness. It's still not showing it, so I'm just on the sidelines. And plus, I got to do some calculations on it. But that's it. Short gold, short indices, and watching crude, watching euro. And I'm out of the uranium sector, URA. Get CL. Yeah, it's kind of like the euro. It's kind of like just hanging in there. It's showing you not really much. That's it. All right, I'm going to sign out. Have a great weekend, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the markets.